In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up hosting and WordPress in HostPapa. This quick tutorial will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that you have your website up and running in no time. Let's begin by visiting the HostPapa website. If you're new to HostPapa, you'll want to click on the Get Started button to create an account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're in, it's time to choose your hosting plan. HostPapa offers various options such as Starter, Business, or Business Pro. Select the one that suits your needs best. After deciding on a plan, click Order Now to proceed. Next, you'll need to select your domain. You have the option to choose a new domain or to use one you already own. After making your selection, complete the payment process to finalize your hosting setup. Now that we've completed step 2, let's move on to accessing your HostPapa cPanel. Once your purchase is complete, log into your HostPapa dashboard. Under your hosting plan, you'll find a section labeled My cPanel. Click it to enter your cPanel environment, the hub for managing your hosting. From cPanel, our next task is to install WordPress using Softaculous. Scroll down to find the Softaculous apps installer. Inside Softaculous, click WordPress, then select Install Now. Choose your domain for the installation. If you want WordPress to be installed in the root directory, leave the directory field blank. With WordPress installed, it's time to configure your site's settings. Enter your website name by filling in the site name field. Next, you can add a site description, which acts as a tagline. Creating an admin username and password is crucial, as these credentials will enable you to log into your WordPress dashboard. Additionally, enter an admin email where you'll receive notifications. Once all the settings are configured, click Install and wait for the installation confirmation. After receiving confirmation, you can access your WordPress site by going to yourdomain.com/wp admin. Use the admin credentials you've just set up to log in. Now that you're logged into WordPress, it's time to customize your website. Start by installing essential plugins that enhance your site's functionality. A few recommended plugins include Elementor for easy page building, Yoast SEO for optimizing search engine visibility, and WP Forms for creating contact forms. Finally, bring your website to life by creating key pages such as Home, About, Services, and Contact. These fundamental pages set the foundation for your website's structure and user experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have successfully set up hosting and WordPress using HostPapa. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on building and managing your website.